Hi viewers, welcome to my channel. Those who are watching this video, all of you are familiar with Stellarium software, so I am not discussing about this software. I want to talk directly about our today topic, how to add a new comet or asteroid to Stellarium. Maximum of you installed this software few months to few years before, so new discovery will not be listed here. Sometimes updating a software also help you, but very newly discovered comet or asteroid is not included in your installed software, so you have to add it manually. Today I am showing you how we can add a comet, and for this I am trying to add new watch, that is C2020F3 comets as an example because it is very new one, and using the same process you can also able to add new asteroid. So before opening your Stellarium software, just go to the description box below and you are seeing that there is a link like this. Just click on it or just copy and paste it on your browser as you like, and after opening this link you will see a large number of list uh, of comments, and this is a full list of comments, and we have to save this page as a text file. So just right click on it and click the save as, and you can rename it as a comment list, and confirm that this file is a txt file. So and finally save this. To confirm this file saves as a text file, just click on the saved file. Those who are know the computers, you are you confirm that this is a text format, so is okay. So this is I have saved this page as a text file as a comment list in the name of comment list. So now open your Stellarium software. Stellarium software, first I have checked is the C2020 comments is included or not. Just search the window and type C slash 2020 F3. There is nothing, so actually this is not included. So we are trying to add this comment. To add this comment, follow this procedure. Just click on configuration window in the Stellarium toolbar. Click on it. In the configuration window page, there will be a 6 tab, and the last one is plugin. Click on the plugin tab. In the plugin tab there is a scroll down menu, and there will be a tab solar system editor. Just click on solar system editor from the scroll down menu, and in the solar system editor page at the bottom there is a configuration tab, and there is a option load at startup, that so check it, and finally click the configuration tab. After clicking the configuration tab, we are getting a new window called solar system objects, and in this new window there will be 3 tab: configuration file, solar system file, and about. Just click on solar system, and we are wanting to add a new comment. So at the solar system page at this bottom there is a tab import orbital elements in MPC format. Just click on it. When you click on it, there will be a 2 tab: list and online search. We are going in a list format, so in the list page there will be select the type. We are going to add a comment, so just click on comments. Those who are wanting to add asteroid, you have to click the asteroid. There will be 2 options from the as a source. One source is our file in the text format already saved in our desktop, and another is download a list object from the internet, but it is not working all the time because of the slow internet connection and other problem in the software. So we are going to the second option for 100% successful work. Just click a file containing a list of object. So when we click the or select the a file containing a list of objects, there will be a browsing icon. Just click on it. When you click on it, we get uh, our computer. Just click. I already saved this file in the text format in my desktop, so I am going to desktop, and there will be a our required file, and this is a command list. So just click on command list and open it, and finally click on the tab get orbital elements. When you click, there will be a several comments. Actually, you know that in the comment list there will be several number of comments. So we are going to add C2020. Just uh, type it in the search place, C/2020 F3. This is our new wise comment. So just check it and click on the tab add object. This is already added, and close the alt tab, and you can check it. To check this means to check the comment is added or not, just go to the search window from the toolbar. In the search window, search C/2020 F3 new I. This is the, we are getting this file, but we cannot able to see the in the sky, because you know that it is already added in this software, but the magnitude is 2.220, so very tiny, very low brightness. So you have to change some setting uh, to change the size in your software sky. Go to or visit sky and viewing option window from your Stellarium toolbar. Just click on it, and there will be a tab sky DSO something. Just click DSO. Sorry, this is our solar system object. So click on sky, and in the sky page there will be a list of planets and satellites. At this portion there will be a label and markers. So just change the label. When you changing the label, everything every planets and satellites or comets or solar system objects uh, looks good. So after changing this label to maximum position, click this. You can use your so this is our C20 F3 new eyes. I think you are also able to see how you can see a faint object by changing the setting. So this is not very hard. So finally you are seeing that this is already added and also visible to us. So try this, and I think you will be also successful. Thank you.